worker crushed to death by a compressor machine. Harmful additive found in certain stacks from the US and Japan, and Iran said to have stopped trying to make a nuclear bomb.
Good evening. A worker was crushed to death by a compressing machine in Ho Man Tin this morning. He was pinned to a wall when he and his fellow workers tried to move the heavy piece of equipment by brute force. The company, which rented out the machine for use at construction sites, suggested that safety procedures were ignored. Jenny Lam reports.
The moments just before a horrific industrial accident captured on closed-circuit television. The men were trying to move the compressor, which weighed more than a ton, down the slope of an alley in Ho Man Tin. They attempted to control the machine using a rope and pulley system, but lost control. One of the men on the front was pinned to the wall and crushed to death. The accident occurred at around 9 o'clock this morning. The trapped man suffered multiple bone fracture and was unconscious by the time firefighters pulled him out. He was later certified dead at Queen Elizabeth Hospital. The company, which rented out the compressor, said there should have been a professional person at the scene when the machine was being moved in order to ensure safety regulations were strictly followed. One work safety expert pointed out that there needs to be proper risk assessment before an attempt to move such a heavy piece of equipment.
They should use some sort of machine, a tow truck or a van to move this heavy compressor.
Sources at the scene said the dead man's wife is in the mainland and he left behind 2 young children. Jenny Lam.